Yeah, first of all, I would like to thank all of you who joined today's webinar. I sincerely hoping that all of you are in good health along with your family members, and also expecting God gives everyone the strength and patience to fight against this untimely and dangerous pandemic COVID-19. Hello all, I am Raja Shah, your presenter of this webinar today, and I have been working over 8 years as an IT professional, and I have over 5 years of experience working in ERP like PeopleSoft, Fusion as a techno-functional consultant. So today we're gonna talk about what Oracle Life Solution is and what does the employee wellness stands in Oracle Work Life Solution. We also gonna talk about why we need wellness to administer in our workplace and what will be its key benefits. So in between our session, I'm also going to show you a couple of demo videos recorded by me in which I will demonstrate the administrative as well as employee part of wellness tools to you. So in the meantime, during session, if you come across some questions, please drop those to our session chat box. I will try to answer all of them, but if we are not able to go through all today, then please send those questions over email to me. Then I will definitely get back to you after this session. So let's get started with work-life solution. What is work-life solution is all about? So in today's time, it's very hard to find a balance between people's professional and personal lives. Many people want to find a better solution, but they don't have the right information and choice to make that happen. As people are more getting into work from home culture, so it is very critical for the enterprise to strengthen the engagement between organization and employees. So to minimize this gap, Oracle provides a bunch of tools as a work-life solution to its customer that actually helps to increase engagement within workplace, and these tools also encourage employees towards good health, more productive nature, so on. So employee wellness is one of the tools provided by Oracle as a part of work life solution, as I said. So now we have to look in the fact why we use wellness and what wellness brings to you. So as we are already facing global crisis due to COVID-19, so and people are more focusing and looking for healthcare services. So it becomes mandatory to stay healthy, safe, and motivated towards your work. So employee wellness exactly gives you that platform that allows employees and benefit professionals to stay fit and more energetic in work life. Employees who find themselves more productive than earlier after using this wellness tool. So and wellness also gives you all set of options that are fit for you reaching your health targets. Benefit manager of your organization who will actually administer all the overall wellness programs can bring all kind of health initiatives by creating corporate goals, competitions with or without teams, and track all the overall engagements towards these activities. And it has also an option to provide bonus rewards as incentives to employees who participate in those wellness programs. So your company HR or benefit manager have the option to monitor and audit the overall participation rate. And based on this summary, they can also innovate new healthcare initiatives that are more relevant to their employee interest. So Uh, let's take a look. What are the features we can avail from employees wellness? So these are a couple of infolates available under My Wellness. So I'm going to show all those infolates here, and I'm gonna explain all those here also. So employee can use all these infolates from their wellness self-service page. There will be a self-service page under all employees. They will have My Wellness page where they can find these activities, these features. So let's get started with the first one, the activities. So it helps to track the daily progress of all activities that have been assigned to employees either by benefit manager or by employee himself. So it helps to foster your well-beings with timely manner. The new section, whatever new initiatives are going to set across enterprise, so new section will keep you posted on your wellness wall by giving you up-to-date information, so you won't feel any disconnect or miss any of this wellness program. Wellness goals, this infolate allows you to add and monitor corporate goals as well as your personal goals, either set by you or your benefit admin. So you can also add those to your account which is suitable for you. Suppose you find some corporate goals which is more relevant to your daily activities, so you can directly take those uh, wellness goals to your account. So this helps to identify your correct well-being activities. Competition, this option to engage employees uh, with such contest that helps manager to direct employees towards new work assignments based on competitive interest. So it also manages to explore the team management side that increase your value inside your team, and it will also help you to improve your team management skill. The task, employee can also add up new tasks to their wellness program. So it's a set of activities actually which helps you to reach certain goals on time. So employee can earn incentive rewards at the time of completion of this task. Teams, this options provides the option provides a feature to work as a team and achieve team fitness goals set by your leader, team leader. So you can also have the option to create your own team, and you have the ability to engage more people with you and finish certain fitness goals for your organization. The last feature which you have in My Wellness, that is assessment. So employee can serve a self-assessment through this feature. So it helps employee to evaluate better their health and well-being. So before we get into that application, let's summarize some key facts of employee wellness, what makes this suit more relevant and more eye-catching to all your enterprises. So let's start from the beginning. It has an inbuilt dashboard facility that actually brings a matrix view of all participation rates to benefit admin. This also helps benefit admin to monitor the progress. It also helps employees to track their own wellness activities from wellness, definitely from wellness ESS page. So, and it has a inbuilt recommended mechanism which will help employees to make smart choice to their goals and competition that are more relevant to their well-being. So various wellness programs makes employees more engaged with each other, and this will bring innovative ideas to showcase among themselves. Uh, it has the advantage of tracking fitness counts from third-party fitness tracker device. This is very important feature in wellness. So employee cannot see this feature from their wellness self-service page, but benefit admin can avail this feature to set up some bridges. So we're gonna talk about this later. Uh, Several competition team goals that actually will help employee to take part of new initiatives, and it also brings out the team management skills. So wellness also has a inbuilt uh, functionality to support alert and prompt employee to reach the wellness target on time. So we are moving into a short demo in few minutes. So actually that demo will be actually mainly focusing on all the options, come infolets that are available for benefit admin. So before we get into that video, let me bring that fact to your notice that benefit administrator is a person who is authorized to administer all the well-being activities across organization. So this option can only be visible from the account which has benefit admin privileges. So these are the options, as I said: corporate goals, competitions, awards, scheduler services, feature setting. It will allow benefit admin to configure and publish across organization. So we're gonna talk about inside that demo video, which is created by me. So I have made some setups as a benefit admin. So we're gonna see those features. So let's get start that video.
We are in employee wellness page now. This tool can only be accessible from benefit administrator of your organization. There are a couple of infolets and options available under this page, and corporate goal is one of them. As we have already seen in earlier slides, as a benefit manager or your company HR can create, update and track all the fitness goals which are being assigned to all employees across organization. As you can see, there is an option to add new corporate goals. After you click on this plus button, it will allow you to go inside the corporate goal creation page. Let's create a new fitness goal. Let's say running. You can choose any type based on your goal pattern. Let's choose daily time, daily active time, and your target will be, let's say, 25 minutes. Start date 2nd of May. End date, you can choose anything. Let's choose today's date, 6th of May. Achievement rate, you can give anything, 50, 60, 70. It's not mandatory to give 100% all the time. And each goal can be associated with a measurable target, and completion of these targets earn employee rewards as an incentive or corporate gifts. So you can choose anything. The points you can also give rewards points, but it is you don't have that option to redeem it. Your company can rank employee based on points and pay out rewards as an incentive as well. Let's let's assign 500 points for this corporate goal. After clicking save and close, So these corporate goals will be visible from your corporate goal page. Now, benefit manager can see the overview of participation rate time to time also. And based on this, they can also launch new initiatives to engage more employees towards fitness drills. So this is a matrix view of participation rate for each corporate goals. Let's move to competition. Like corporate goals, several kind of competition can be created and launched across organization. Employee who finds it more relevant and interesting can compete by participant in those competition. It also has same create, update and delete functionality. You can create new competition based on your company need. So let's create a competition. Let's create marathon. Start date, let's choose today's date, end date also today's date. You can choose any type. Let's distance, competition type as distance and rewards. So in case you want to appreciate winners based on rank, then you have the option to set rewards on rank basis. It helps in promoting wellness competition and encourage employees to participate in these programs. So you can also assign corporate gifts. Let's say based on ranks, we give hard drive to the winner first, who ranked first. You can also add awards for rank second. That is like let's say good coupon. Second rank. So after clicking save and close, this competition will be visible from your competition page. So you can see this marathon is visible now. So it has same matrix view like we have for the corporate goals, where admin can view and track overall and aggregate participation rate in various competition. Based on this analysis, organization can introduce new initiatives for betterment of these courses. As I said, wellness programs not only serve you better health, fitness, it also encourage you by winning awards from your organization. Your organization can break and track your achievements by giving you rewards, and you can update the status of receiving. If the awards are paid out to employees, then status can be changed to received, and we can filter the list by choosing appropriate state from status drop down. This option also allows you to download the employees list who has some points earned during events. It gives a overview of progress which employees for each employees who have participated in those goals and competitions. So you can also print these point reports based on year and download the list. Tracking and scheduler. This service helps benefit managers to identify what are the tracking service bridges are set up across organization and which one of those are active currently, and based on this information admin can identify the unauthorized sources, if any, which are not whitelisted. The last option is feature setting. This options allows admin to announce any corporate wellness programs which is going to be a part of new event, and this can be spread across organization using wellness news. Once the new announcement happens related to wellness, it automatically reflects from your employee self-service wellness page. The active wellness task, it's a single and constant activity, or you can say it's a set of tasks that helps you reaching towards your goal. Specific tasks can be assigned to all employee, and who finds it suitable can add those tasks to their wellness programs and finish on time. So let's create a wellness news here to see how it works. So if we are going to announce any new events, like code fixing competition, and the start date, let's say today's date, end date, let's choose end of this month, 31st. Description, people will be employees, um, business unit India are requested to participate in this new event. So this is something you can describe for these wellness news, and you can give the external link and internal link also, and you can also upload some images for publishing this wellness news. So after you create this one, you can save. Now this wellness code fixing competition will be visible for you and all the employees whoever logs in their wellness self-service page. So this is all about wellness through this option, and this is something by which you can complete wellness programs on time, and you can achieve the particular goals. Let's move to the next slide.
So, so thanks for being with us with this short video. So as we have seen in the short video that wellness provides an option to get data from any tracking service device and import the data into HCM. So we have that option, and why we have need this option, because with the rising of workloads and increased business activities, so employee finds very difficult to keep track of their health and fitness progress on daily basis. So this solution reduces this gap by providing this feature. The tracking service, which you can see from this page, we have created one bridge. So this bridge provides the authorization between your fitness tracker with your HCM. So to achieve this, we need to go to certain mandatory configuration process. So this bridge allows all those fitness trackers which are available in market, like Fitbit, Google Fitbit, then Fast Track, Apple, etc. So these are actually bridge allows those fitness trackers to get authorized in HCM, Cloud HCM, and it will post the data into HCM wellness page and show the daily activities to all the employees. So as I said, to achieve this, we need to go through some certain configuration. So first we need to build a web application by which we can post a JSON request. So we have so you are seeing one VBCS coding, short VBCS coding. This coding allows the Google Fit Tracker to get enabled in Oracle HCM tracking service. So this is the way we can call a REST API and post that JSON request to get that data from fitness tracker. And to get this data, we also will have to have a database, common database, and or Oracle Fitness database. Common database mainly used for all the unauthorized fitness tracker, like which are not registered in HCM. So we can post those data into the common database and get the data using that REST APIs. And some of the Google services, fitness services, they allows their customers to store the data to their particular database, and employee can use that database to get the data as well. So we are moving to our last topic before we get into the benefits of employee wellness. So this is Melanie, one of our employee of the organization. Once Melanie logs into her wellness page, she can able to see these infolettes. I know we have already discussed this in one of our earlier slides, but here I'm going to show you how an employee can use these features in a better way. So we'll start the next demo, which will explain that how employee will see all those features from their My Wellness page.
Currently, we are in an employee wellness self-service page. As I said in my earlier slides, wellness will have a couple of features available: activities, news, sports, competition, tasks, teams. These are all those features. So let's start with activities. This is a place where employee can see and track overall summaries related to activities, and employee can have the option to see and track the recent activities which is currently going on. The important part of this section is to get the data from third-party fitness sources. So we have just posted one fitness data from Google Fit Vendor. This particular data shows that on 28th April, the employee was active for 22 minutes. She covered 4.1 miles and 1801 calories. She burned on that particular day. So this information was captured in Google Fitness Tracker. So we just imported this data by calling a REST API and get this data into our employee wellness page. So this helps employees not to worry about entering data manually on daily basis. The system will take care of this automatically. Let's move to the next section. So, as I said, employee wellness has an inbuilt recommendation facility to recommend corporate goals to all employees. So once these corporate goals are published from Benefit Admin, it will be automatically showing from employee's wellness page. If employee finds it suitable, they can directly go inside these corporate goals and add these goals under to their corporate goal section. So employee can also create their own goals, and they can also track and see the progress of it. Employee can also be a part of a team. If the team has some goals to achieve, then employee will have those goals automatically to their employee wellness page, and they can directly participate and finish those team goals on time and help the overall progress. Like wellness goals, employee can compete different corporate competitions, which is recommended by Benefit Admin. Employee can see the progress based on rank from leadership board. Now this maintain good health competition has been introduced recently, and the participants is showing one. That's why the rank is showing not started, not ranked. So once the participants will increase, the employee can see him or herself from this ranked leadership board. So these options help employees to identify where he stands in currently from fitness perspective. So all the wellness tasks which has been introduced from corporate, that can be also visible from employees wellness page. So if employees finds it suitable, they can directly go to that go inside that task and complete on time. So this can boost their daily activities over goal as well. Now, as I said, employee can be a part of a team, but employee can also create their own team. So this is the option where employee can join a team and create a team. So to join a team, employee requires approval from team leader, but to create a team and join others doesn't need any approval process. So employee can directly add other members under their own team. There's a another options available under My Wellness, that is to take the assessment. So employee can take the assessment to see the progress. They can go through of certain questions, so by which they can directly see their current progress on all these activities and goals. My profile, this is a place where employee can have that option to track or to connect with all the activities tracker which they have. So by connecting this tracker, will help employee to take all the inputs from outside vendor and import those data into HCM Wellness. So employee doesn't need any other options to get this data and enter it manually. System will automatically take care of those details. The new section, this allows employees to up to date with all the corporate events. So once this has been announced and published by benefit admin, employee can also see that news from self-service page. So these are all the options available in My Wellness. So by which employee can track, create, and see all these goals, competitions, and they can also up to date with all the corporate wellness programs. Let's move to the next slide. Thank you.
So thank you for being with us with these two short videos. So we have arrived our last discussion section, and where we are gonna talk about why enterprise should implement and try this employee wellness for them. So let's go with one by one. So building health wellness programs not only help employees to stay fit and healthy, it also brings down the healthcare cost of organization. So no medical claims insurance will definitely help all the employees to save that money for their other benefits. And employee who participate in workplace wellness activities, they find themselves more fitter and proactive than earlier. And it also manages the balance between your work life and personal life by keeping you active throughout the overall fitness process. And you can implement this tool with least cost and no need to support after go live if it's because of its user friendly features. And through various wellness programs, enterprise can push employees in greater engagement. This actually helps to build relationship between employee and employer. So it's a win-win for both, as both have jointly responsible for employees' well-being. So this is we have here for wellness, employee wellness. So this session is only for to give you the awareness of all the enterprise people why we need wellness, and if you feel that this can be implemented and this can be a suitable feature tool for you, then we are here to help you. So this is our contacts, you can directly reach out to us. So we are in Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and we have our own official website. So that is www.swice.com. So I'm going to open the section for question and answer. So let me just take some questions. I can see from Mohit Bhalla and Kashi Vishwanath. So so I've got one question which is related to, so how managers or HR can keep a track of gifts provided to employees on winning the competition, since gifts provided is not visible even to the administrator. No, gifts, see, the manager and the HR should have that benefit administrator privilege. So without that privileges, they are not supposed to, or they are not authorized to create any configuration related to wellness. They are not authorized to administer any of this. So, and once they have those privileges, they will have the option to track the gifts provided to employees. As I shown you in that one of the videos, that employee will have a status like not received receipt. So by that option, benefit manager or benefit admin can track the gift received. Okay, who received that gift, then they can track. Now the next one from Mohit again. So how employees are notified about their target reminders. So yeah, Mohit, so we have wellness, HCM wellness has inbuilt notification mechanism. So we have to configure that one. So once we configure, so it will be once the new goal or activities employee add to their account, they will automatically get the notification. So it can be possible via email, or this it also can employee also can track those by notification bell icon. So I've got another question from Kashi Vishwanath. So how we integrate the third-party device data in Fusion HCM systems, specifically fitness device like Google device. Yeah, so Kashi, you have to first see, you have to first search whether your Google device is registered in HCM portal or not. If it is an authorized device, then you have to build a application. So if you have an admin privilege, then you can directly build a web application using VBCS or other programming language. And so you have to set up a bridge. So, but if you are a normal employee, then you can ask your benefit administrator whether we have any bridge available for Google device to register in the system or not. If that is there, then you can directly ask to enable that for you, and you can then peer with your fitness tracker with Oracle HCM. So I've got a question from Sumit. Sumit, I didn't understand what you are trying to say here. So if yes, any configuration required to enable it, can you please elaborate in quickly? Then I can give you, because I don't see any other questions here. I have a question from Galaxy A51. So, hello, sir. I want to know the names of the Fitband companies which are supported. So, there are a couple of, I don't know your exact name. There are a couple of Fitbit tracker available in market, which Oracle Wellness support is supporting now currently, like Fitbit, Fast Track, and Google Fitband also. No, MI Fit, I don't think that HCM is allowing MI Fit band incorporated in HCM. So you need to you need to see the list. You have to search, because I don't see MI till last release. Yeah, implement Sumit. Any though I've got question from Sumit. Sumit is asking that any implementation is required for using this module or not. Yeah, implementation is required. You need to assign roles and you need to do a certain configuration. Yeah, that is entirely related to implementation part. So as I said, if you find this tool relevant to your enterprise, you can directly contact us. We will be here to help you, and you all are welcome. So we're gonna take a last question. Manager will be notified. So I've got question again from Mohit. So managers will be notified about the winners of the competition, or whether the name of the employee will be notified to them who have received the rewards by winning. No, see, managers will not be notified. There is no functionality for getting the notification to manager that who the reportees of him or her that get rewarded from organization. That there is no inbuilt functionality, or there is no way to configure that. So only employee can get uh, employee can see those information from their self-service page, as I have already shown you in one of the video, that employee can see the rank and awards which has been assigned to them after completion of certain goals and competition. So yeah, that employee can track, but manager don't have that option. So Sumit, no, we don't need any other additional subscription for that. So it is automatically offered by Oracle if you get the subscription for Oracle HCM. So I have taken the last question. So I'm requesting all, if you have some questions, please reach out to me over to my email. So I can definitely get back to you. So this is my email ID, raja.shaha@twice.com, or you can directly post it to our blog. So yeah, I think we can end up this session here. Thank you for joining, everyone.